In a rapidly changing world, education is evolving. Educators face challenges in personalized learning. AI is revolutionizing education. AI tailors learning experiences for every student. AI analyzes student data to identify strength and weaknesses.
அப்புறம் சில காரணங்களுக்காக இதை டிஸ்மேண்டில் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
ஏன்?
நான் சிந்திக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன்.
Okay children.
AI brings virtual and augmented reality to the classroom. AI helps teachers with lesson planning and resources. AI fosters global collaboration in education. AI is transforming education for a brighter future. Join the AI in education revolution today. AI in education, shaping tomorrow's leaders.